Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to be changing the fuel pump in this 2018 Nissan Armada. So on the driver's side, in the back of the vehicle, the pump is located underneath this seat. But in order to get to it, we got to flip the seat forward, and then we got to flip the carpet up. The carpet's not going to come up unless we remove this center console, so that's what we're going to work on right now. Alright, well, that carpet is super stiff and kind of hard to work with. I'm using the bungee, kind of just use this pry bar to help me keep prying up at it just to get it out of the way. And you turn these clockwise to remove that plate. But as you can see, this is definitely where it's leaking from, most likely from this piece. This thing always leaks. So I'm going to use a hammer and punch and try to work this ring off counterclockwise after I remove these connections here. Okay, well, that's definitely one of the larger fuel pump modules I've ever removed. It's kind of tricky working it out, but you just had to keep turning it and tilting it, and eventually you'll work it out. You just got to be careful with this piece. You don't want this to get snagged, so you got to work around it. When installing this ring, it clicks into like a little detent. You'll see it's important to get it into that spot, and it's going in right now. So the rest of the reassembly is just a reverse. Plug everything in, put all the covers back on, put the seats back down, and you're all done. Thanks for watching.